Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't know me, you are most welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy Lopez. So today I'm gonna do a makeup room, and I'll be showing you my shoes, my clothes, my makeup, and how I'll be showing you guys my clothes and then my shoes, and then last I'll do the makeup. So here, this is where I have all my clothes. I arrange it by white, black, and then gray, and then blue with greens, and then red, and purples, and orange, and brown. These are like more of my nude colors that I would say, but it's really not necessary to have all this. But I don't know, I just like having a lot of clothes and experiencing any different styles, you know. So here I have they're all messed up. I have my tank tops, my bodysuits, and stuff like that here today. But anyways, these are my boots, like for my winter boots. I have, well, I would not say color by, but kind of a little bit. So they're my nude colors over there, like the beigey ones, and then brown, and then I would go with the dark brown here a little bit, and then these. I love these work boots. They're like so pretty, but I just can't find an outfit for that yet. So I have these black boots, and then I have these brown ones, which are booties, and then I have my beach hats over here, and I have here a little mess, but my shoes couldn't fit there anymore. So basically what I have are more high heels over here. I have some pink ones right here, and then black right there. And then I have these, which this one's falling off a little bit, but I have those. And then on this side I have more boots, which are booties with heels. These are the reasons yet. I'm gonna have to find something to wear it with. And then I have more booties here, and I have a purse over there because it couldn't fit over here at the bottom. So I have basically went with nude colors here at the first top. Oh my gosh, I love these boots, you guys. They're like been my favorite for right now. I got them from Forever 21. Like, they're so pretty. And then these, and they're my Steve Madden shoes. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're like so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so pretty. And then I have my green my green heels here from Shoe Dazzle, and oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous, you guys. I have now these heels here. They're so pretty and so comfy sometimes to walk in. And then I have these, which I remember them because baby bought them for me in my graduation day. Oh my gosh, they were so comfortable. I know they're like have a really long heel and stuff like that, really high up, but they're really easy to walk in. These white heels too, from Madison, which is from Shoe Dazzle, I want to say. And then I have this right here. These are my beauties, which I love them so much. Look, you guys, like, aren't these gorgeous? Like, you can wear them with anything, with some skirts, some regular pants, you know. And then I have my purse, my sparkly purse in the back. And then I have more shoes here, which they won't fit some of the time, so I will put some in the back, as you guys can see. And then I have my sparkly ones right here. These are my babies. These are the shoes that I got married in with my husband. I fell so in love with the shoes. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but look how beautiful these are. They're from Genie Bikini. I can't even pronounce that. I'm sorry. But they're so gorgeous. I love them. I fell so in love with them in my wedding day. They're so pretty. And then these over here, which they're high. And then these. And then the little purse over there that one of my cousins gifted me. So pretty. And then I have these that I have for a really long time, and these sparkly ones over here, and those Steve Madden ones. Oh my gosh, you guys, I try to walk on these, but it's kind of a little bit hard for me because it has a really thin heel at the bottom. And then these, and then not last but not least, these are the one that my mother-in-law gifted me from Mexico. You guys, I fell in love with these shoes, and by the quality too. Look at them, like they look like, oh this one's backwards a little bit, but I fell in love with them. Like every single time I wear these, I feel like I'm a Tinkerbell person. Like they're so nice and so, like, I don't know, I just don't have words for them. I just know that I love them, which that's a good thing. And last but not least, I have my makeup here, you guys. I have my Smashbox over there. I have Morphe, Tarte. I have Huda Beauty, Kylie, Natasha Denona, Smashbox again, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Huda Beauty, which I love her products, you guys. They're so amazing. So this is basically all my makeup that I have. And over here as well. So I have a lot, I know, and my dirty brushes on this side. And I have my powders over here, my foundations. And then basically what I have on this side, let me turn on the Lumi case. I have lashes right here. I have brushes in the back, and then some more brushes right there, and a brow stuff over there. And then let's check on this other side. Not much to say, but basically what I have is Smashbox, Anastasia, Jordana, which I really love. The lipsticks, they're really drugstore good quality, you know, the lipsticks. And then I have NYX over there, and yes, my little lip balms over there in the back, and then those over there. I have ColourPop, MAC, and then more Smashbox here. Over here on this other side where my clothes is, I have more of my makeup. So basically I just have it on the boxes. I have not used them or touched them, or well, some of them, yes, I have. So this is from Smashbox, this is from Smashbox, this is from MAC. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's the big box of liquid lipsticks. And this are the Smashbox box from all the primers. And what I have here is a box full of makeup that I'm gonna give away, which I told you guys I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Basically what I have here is just my graduation card that my baby gave me, and then a little painting from my sister-in-law here in the back. And then I have my suitcase for my makeup. This is the whole video that I made for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed every single thing, because I'm so excited. I know it's still a small little room, but I love it so much. And thanks for my baby and everything for helping me achieve this little makeup room of mine. And I hope you guys loved this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I love you guys.